What if the grocery stores went dark tomorrow? Could you survive on what grows on your balcony? Most people are one missed shipment away from hunger. But there is a hidden system of abundance. A system that doesn't require acres of land, only the knowledge of the secret seeds. Today, we reveal the 10 powerhouse dwarf fruit varieties that can feed you and your family in a tiny space. This is the forgotten knowledge of container mastery, backed by real grower results and survival science. Most people fail because they treat container plants like decorations. They aren't, they are life support. Success requires a system, a method to extract maximum calories from every square inch of your balcony. Hit subscribe. Join the hub of resilient balcony growers. Let's unlock the system. Let's dive in. Number 10, the pomegranate powerhouse. This is the ultimate survivor of the arid worlds. The secret, a high mineral, gritty soil mix. Poor soil creates the richest, most resilient fruit. Their roots love confinement. The stress of the pot forces the tree to panic into massive production. Expect 15 to 30 fruits per season. Once established, this tree is virtually immortal and drought-proof. Look for the Nana variety. It stays under 3 feet but produces full-sized, nutrient-dense pomegranates. The best part? These fruits store for up to 6 months. They are your long-term survival fuel. Number 9, the Fig Freedom Machine. This is the highest yield per square inch fruit in existence. Little Ruby or Chicago Hardy are the kings of the pot. They fruit on new growth every single year. Chicago Hardy can die to the ground in a freeze and still produce a massive crop by August. The hidden hack? Stop watering 3 days before harvest. It concentrates the sugar into candy-sweet perfection. Wrap your pots in burlap for winter protection. This ensures your Freedom Machine restarts instantly in spring. One pot can yield over 100 figs. That's enough to preserve for the entire winter season. Pure self-reliance. Number 8, blueberry self-sufficiency stars. Blueberries are the most misunderstood container crop. They require an acidic system. Most people use regular soil and watch them die. Don't be like them. Mix 50% peat moss with pine bark. This creates the hidden environment they need to thrive. Top Hat is a true dwarf. It stays under 2 feet but covers itself in thousands of berries. Sunshine Blue is more heat-tolerant. If your balcony is a furnace, this is your survival candidate. The secret to massive yields? Get 2 different varieties. Cross-pollination doubles your berry weight per bush. In a survival situation, mobility is everything. Move your pots to chase the sun or hide from storms. Number 7, the Meyer Lemon Lifesaver. Citrus is your source of vitamin C when the world goes gray. Lemons are heavy feeders. They are high-performance engines that require constant fuel to produce. A tablespoon of Epsom salts twice a year. This is the hidden magnesium hack for deep green, productive leaves. Consistency is king. Uneven watering causes fruit drop. Use a simple drip system for total control. Lock in that moisture with a layer of pebbles or mulch. It keeps the roots cool during the midday sun. If you live in the north, Meyer lemons survive indoors by a sunny window. Year-round independence. One mature pot can give you 100 lemons a year. That's enough to salt preserve for a decade of flavor. Number 6, peach patio perfection. These are the crown jewels of the balcony orchard. Bonanza is the gold standard. It stays 5 feet tall, but produces full-sized, incredibly juicy peaches. The thinning sacrifice. You must remove half the baby fruit to ensure the rest become giants. An overloaded tree produces small, sour fruit. A thinned tree produces the best peaches you've ever tasted. Birds are your primary enemy. In a pot, a simple $10 net saves your entire multi-month effort. It takes 30 seconds to net a dwarf tree. It's the highest ROI task in the entire balcony system. Fresh peaches cost $4 a pound. One tree pays for its entire cost in the very first harvest. Number 5, cherry container champs. Romeo and Juliet cherries are the toughest trees on this list. Cherries hate wet feet. Drainage is life. If the water doesn't clear in 10 seconds, your tree will die. Take your drill and add 10 extra holes to the bottom of your pots. This is the hidden drainage secret. Cherries need the cold. They require chill hours to trigger the fruiting response. They love the winter. Keep them outside during the frost. The cold is the hidden trigger that unlocks your summer bounty. Expect 15 pounds of cherries. That's enough for pies, jams, and freezing for the entire winter. A $150 value for the cost of 1 bag of soil and some water. This is true financial freedom. Number 4, columnar apple space savers. These are the high rises of the fruit world. They don't branch out. They grow straight up, producing fruit right against the main trunk. space efficiency at its peak. Every inch of the trunk is a potential apple. This is the vertical wealth system for tiny spaces. Almost zero pruning is required. Just snip any side branches that try to form to keep the column shape. Maintaining the shape is the only task. This ensures all energy goes into the fruit, not wood. Varieties like North Pole store for months in a cool corner. They are your fresh food bank. Having 20 apples in January is the ultimate food security. Fresh, organic, and grown by you. Number 3. Strawberry yield explosions. The fastest way to see results in your survival garden. Free clones. Every strawberry plant sends out runners. These are free baby plants for next year. Pin them down, and you have an endless fleet of plants. One $5 plant can become 50 in 2 years. The ever-bearing system. Don't buy June bearers. Ever-bearing varieties fruit from May until the first frost. Imagine picking fresh strawberries in October. This variety makes it possible on any balcony. Homegrown berries are 10 times sweeter than store-bought. They are picked at peak ripeness, not for shipping. One taste and you'll never go back to those white-centered, tasteless berries from the supermarket. Number 2. The avocado abundance hack. The most valuable crop you can grow in a pot. The Wurtz variety is the secret. It stays tiny, but produces massive, creamy avocados in just 3 years. While others wait a decade for a pit-grown tree, you'll be harvesting in year 3. Knowledge is time. Avocados are the princesses of the pot. They need perfect drainage. Use 30% perlite in your mix. Oxygenate the roots. If they sit in water for even 1 day, the roots rot and the tree dies. Total vigilance. When the frost comes, bring them inside. This mobility allows you to grow tropical fruit in New York or London. Keep the roots warm. A simple heat mat under the pot can keep an avocado alive through the toughest winters. Each tree can save you $240 a year. That's a 1,000% return on your initial investment. Think big. This isn't just gardening. This is financial freedom in a 20-gallon pot. Pure organic wealth. Number 1. The Banana Balcony Boss. This is the ultimate symbol of your new self-sufficient life. Bananas are heat engines. They need warmth to produce the high-calorie fruit you need for survival. Wrap your pots in black plastic to absorb solar energy. This hidden hack can speed up fruiting by 2 whole months. They are hungry. Feed them high-nitrogen fertilizer every 2 weeks. They grow at an incredible rate. Use your leftover coffee grounds. It's a free, high-nitrogen fuel that bananas absolutely love. Waste nothing. Every mother plant produces pups. These are free clones. One banana plant becomes an entire forest. Separate them, pot them, and give them to your neighbors. Or expand your fleet to achieve total food autonomy. Expect up to 100 bananas from a single harvest. That's enough to feed your family for weeks. High-calorie gold. No pesticides, no chemicals, no shipping costs. Just pure organic survival fuel from your own balcony. Bonus, the mulch mastery secret. This is the single most important task for the container grower. 2 inches of wood chips regulate soil temperature. Bare soil cooks your roots. Mulched soil keeps them alive. Root security is crop security. Keep the temperature stable, and your yields will double overnight. I've seen it happen. Mulch locks in moisture. You'll water 50% less. In a survival situation, water is more precious than gold. Conserve your resources. Every drop you save is a drop you can use for something else. Efficiency is survival. Where to get it for free? Call a local tree service. They pay to dump this. They will give it to you for free. The golden waste. Use what the world throws away to build your own paradise. That is the ultimate hack. Now you know the seeds, but do you know the system? Let's talk about the forgotten knowledge of maintenance. The vessel matters. Terracotta breathes but dries out. Plastic holds water but cooks the roots. Choose wisely. Customize everything. Don't trust the factory holes. Add your own. Control the drainage. Control the life. Gravity feed water systems. If the power goes out, your pumps stop. Use gravity. It never fails. Failure-proof your life. A simple barrel and a tube are all you need to keep your orchard alive for weeks. Light mastery. Map your balcony's sun patterns. Every hour of light is an extra pound of fruit. Use it all. The mirror hack. Use white walls or mirrors to bounce light into the dark corners. Waste no photons. This was your balcony before. A void of wasted space and wasted potential. A cage of dependence. And this is your balcony now. An oasis of life, flavor, and security. You are no longer just a consumer. You are a producer. You have taken back the most basic human right, the right to feed yourself. Don't wait for the world to change. Change your world. Start with one pot. Start with one seed. Start today. This is your blueprint to a self-sustaining fruit haven. Subscribe for more plant-powered independence. Grow amazing. Grow amazing. See you next time. Farewell and stay resilient.